In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your country and location on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up a web browser and then go to chess.com, and after that sign into your account. Once you have signed into your account, click right here at the bottom left hand corner where it says settings, to go to settings obviously, and then just scroll down a bit until you find location and country. We can easily change our country by clicking right here, and then we can select any country from that drop down menu, just like that. And then if we click at save, it will save our country settings, and also it will change that flag next to our username at our profile page, and anyone will be able to see that flag during the game. Also, we can set a location for our profile. We can just enter any location as a regular text, and it shouldn't be the same as a country. In my example, my current country is Armenia. However, the location I can enter Tokyo or whatever I want. And then to save the changes, click at save again, and now it shows me my current location next to my first and last name, just under my username. That's how you can easily add a location and change a country on your chess.com profile.